Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, the termite proofing process, today we will be talking about that. Here you can see that we have started our termite proofing work, and you can see this is basically woodwork. So first of all, you have to check that whether and at which places you have termite proofing needed. Okay, so for that we have opened these woodworks. You can see we have opened this, so you can see that this is basically because of the termite. You can see it. So all the wood beneath this cupboard is not workable, and even behind these are not. This is not workable. Okay. So now what is the process? So first of all, we make drills here, and you can see this is basically the drill. This is an 18 inches drill, and you have to use 18 inches. Okay, not like 4 inches or 5 inches. It shall be 18 inches, and this is going to make a drill here like this. This is 18 inches. And you have to fill it using the material that we have prepared. I will show it to you. So just like this, I will show it to you. Here you can see. Okay, this is completely filled. This is another. So this was the process for the foundation. Now close these holes just like this. Okay. Now for walls, how we will do it? So basically this is the fumigation process now that we are going to do on these walls. You can look at this now. Okay, so they are basically throwing it with a speed so that the place which has been damaged by the termites might be completely finished. Okay, you can see it. So this is how you can control the termite in any place. This is basically the wood frame that we haven't removed, and the back side of this wood has been completely fumigated, and we are so sure that for 6 or 7 years the termite is not going to damage it again. Thank you.